Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can disable or turn the Google Assistant off in your device Samsung Z Fold. To disable Google Assistant, you just have to take a few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we move on to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video till end and you will learn how you can turn off your Google Assistant.